Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can run ads on your Wix site. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my dashboard for one of my Wix sites, and I'm going to navigate to a setting where you'll be able to enable some marketing integrations. Let's just call them that. So yeah, let's get right into it. As you can see, this is my dashboard. I'm currently at the home page, and you want to go down to the settings icon right over here in the panel to the left. And now you have all these settings. You want to scroll down until you get to marketing integrations. Once you click on this, as you can see, once this loads, you have an option, well, a variety of options. Let's say you have here 9 in total in this main sort of window, and you have other marketing tools on the app market, which you can integrate if you so choose. Now, some integrations which I would recommend are Google Analytics, Metapixel and CAPI, Google Ads Conversions, as well as ads.txt. Now, what each of these do, they integrate ads in their own way. Google Analytics basically gives you tools to discover where your visitors come from and how you can target your ads more, whereas Metapixel and CAPI, Google Ads Conversions, allow you to actually run targeted ads on your site, and ads.txt basically enables you to control who runs ads on your site. ADS stands for Allowed Digital Sellers, and you can write a TXT file which allows or enables certain sellers to run ads on your site. Now, these are useful, but there is also another alternative. Well, two more rather. You can integrate AdSense into your site. I'm not certain as to how you would actually do that. I know there is an integration on the app market which you could use, but I won't be doing that so as not to confuse you guys, since I do not have experience with it. However, you can also do one more thing. Here is my Wix editor, and what you can also do is you can literally just add media to your site. For example, if you go to media, you can easily add images such as photos or videos if you want to run your own custom ads on your site, and you can very easily run them on your site using that if you want to advertise your own products. However, usually what people, or possibly you, would like to do is to run ads from other sites, so you have another income stream from the ads that you run on your site, so that it can generate income on a timely basis. And that is basically the basics of it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.